Good morning, everyone. Happy, I think it is Wednesday, the 8th, December 8th. I've had to do a day in life today, but I'm actually cleaning out my nightstand because we have all been so sick lately. We're kind of all over it now. The kids were all sick last week, and then I ended up getting sick Thursday night into Friday. I wasn't really bad actually until the weekend, which was great because Ed was home, so I was able to rest a lot. But my nightstand is kind of crazy because I've got just ugh. So I just want to clean it out. And so I thought I'd give you guys a little update before we start our day. It is like 8:30, quarter of 9 now. I know I normally start my vlogs much sooner, but we were like, the kids slept in this morning. I was chillaxing. We've actually all had breakfast. Wait, Jeffrey did not have breakfast. He's not hungry yet. He's been hit or miss with breakfast lately. And we still need to do our schoolwork, which is fine. We usually start like between 9 and 10. But today is a rainy day and we have 0 appointments. So because of that and the fact that it's raining, we're not going anywhere. We did our errands yesterday while Jeffrey had speech. And yeah, so that's been going great. And actually speech has been going awesome. Jeffrey, I don't think I updated you. So Jeffrey's speech teacher actually she ended up having a family emergency, so she had to move. So she was doing teleservices, and Jeffrey does not do well on Zoom, which was one of the reasons why we now homeschool. But because of that, we had to wait. And it took us a month just for her to figure her poop out. And so then we had to wait a couple weeks. So we actually went almost 7 weeks without therapy, which was fine. Jeffrey did great. I knew his I don't want to call it an IEP because that's not what it is for speech, but I knew his goals and stuff because he had just been evaluated before this happened. So the evaluator, who was their supervisor, she had emailed me. And we had talked about it. So I knew all his goals and stuff. So I help with that. That's one of the things is you need to, parents need to be involved. So we've been helping. Great. Jeffrey, this was his second week with this new person and he is doing awesome. We're only doing once a week. We were doing twice a week. But with the holidays and her just starting out with him, we're just taking it once a week. And we figure after the holidays, we'll work in the second, second section for the week. But Jeffrey has been doing awesome. We also, since last time, I think I updated you guys, Jeffrey was diagnosed with ADHD. So we did decide to put him on medication because he was on something before to help with his moods. It wasn't for ADHD. It was actually more for the autism. And he was on it for almost a year and it seemed to not be working anymore. And we had already done dose changes before and really didn't see a huge change. So we decided we had a long talk with the doctor and we did you have to do the evals for if he has ADHD, which we were 99% sure he had it. We actually always have known he's had it. We just never got officially diagnosed because we thought, oh, maybe he's just very active little boy. He has ADHD. And then when we took him off the other medication that he'd been on for a year and started this new one, he was actually off of everything. He had no meds for 4 or 5 days. And holy cow, he was off the walls. He could not sit still very long. He had a hard time sleeping. He even told us that his brain, he was it won't slow down. He was, oh, poor thing. He did great though. And we felt like he was communicating a lot better. So I don't know if the other medication was kind of messing with his brain a little bit to where he was getting so confused he couldn't talk. He couldn't figure out the answer to what we were asking him. So he's been on this new med, oh my gosh, over a month now? Oh God, more than that. Maybe it has been 6 weeks. Jeez, I don't even know. Yeah, because he started. Hold on, Robert. Around Halloween. Robert was trying to play a game and he couldn't read what it was telling him to do. So I'm it was just kind of, I had to adjust the brightness on it. So anyways, yeah, maybe it has been 6 weeks now. Yeah. So anyways, he's doing absolutely phenomenal. So well. So proud of him. He is definitely doing awesome. So we're very, very proud of him. definitely is working. He actually can calm down now. And I don't mean calm down like, but just like you can tell that he's slowing down and he can actually like process what's going on. Schoolwork wise, he's doing amazing. Like he can sit, like before, that was one of the other reasons he wasn't sitting for schoolwork. If I could get him to sit down for 5 minutes without like losing his poop, that was like all I could get. And that could be for something like that he loved doing. Like it could be building something. Like that's how bad he could not focus. He is doing so well. Our schoolwork has been doing really well too. We started I switched curriculum, which happens. So I just switched a couple of the things to the company that we were planning on doing like the all-in-one curriculum for in the spring when we needed new stuff. But just the English language arts ones we were using, wasn't working very well. So I got like the English part from that company to try, just to like see if maybe we liked it before we do the big buy. Holy cow, the kids are loving it. Not only are they loving it, but they're excelling really quickly. It's funny because I'm like looking at the teacher's manual and it's like, oh, this should take about 30 minutes. And it's taking us like not even 10 minutes because the kids are getting it. They're focusing. It's holy cow. Yesterday we did all of our subjects. Like even we did math and history yesterday too, along with all the other ones. And we were done in 45 minutes. And like we all looked at each other and we're like, wait, all we have to do now is reading. Like they just had done everything. It was like, holy cow, we were so focused and just everybody did their stuff. And that's how it's been going for like almost 2 weeks now. So it's been really good. Today is a very light day for schoolwork. We finished our math curriculum yesterday. So technically we should start the new one today. We had just finished up the Good and the Beautiful Math 2, I think is what it's called. So we have the Math 3, but it's a 4 lesson week kind of schedule, and it's Wednesday now. So I'm like, I originally was going to plan it, going to do it today, but I'm like, wait, we're not even going to be able to do the whole week. So we're just going to do some review of telling time because we've been struggling with that. So we're going to do that the rest of the week. And we did science and history yesterday and Monday. So today we're not going to do any of those. So we've just got a good day. So I have talked way more than I thought I would. But I wanted to update you guys. It's been a while. I've just been kind of posting Christmas videos, but I thought I'd take you along our day. We've got a lot to do. As you can see, my bed is not made. Sheets are washing now. I've got the towels on the bed that I need to put away. And yeah, we just got some baking to do today, a little cleaning. Just figured I'd take you guys along. But I wanted to update you because what's been going on? But all good things. All good things. Nothing bad. Like, yeah, we got the cold, but it's going around. Everyone's sick. But while everyone is calm, I'm going to get the towels put away and get some other things done. And did get the nightstand all clean while I was talking to you, so that's good. So I'm going to go do that, and we'll check in a little bit. All right, so Mia and I are making my chocolate chip banana bread muffins, right? You eating chocolate chips?
Mommy, yeah.
Yes.
It's going to be cloudy.
Yeah, it's actually rainy. And silly me yesterday, if you saw my last grocery haul, which I'll link below, I bought 3 bags of chocolate chips. And do you see that? That's stuck. That's solid. Because silly me yesterday, bless you, I put all my baking stuff in here that I bought. All the chocolate chips. And then I put it on my dryer. But what have I been doing today? Laundry. So it started to melt. So this one is a solid. I mean, I'm going to break it up. But it's solid in there right now. It's not like 2 little chocolate chips. Just 3. Note to self, I know better. I think I put them on there because I was like, oh, I'll move them later, and I never moved them. So, but yeah, we're making our muffins, and here's my secret ingredient, zucchini. This is the only way my kids will eat zucchini. Mia is on my only veggie lover, but the boys will eat these muffins. Only if there's zucchini in it. If there's no zucchini in it, they won't eat it. I don't understand. So, we're going to get those chocolate chips all unchunked, put them in here, and then get the muffins in the oven. All right, muffins are all done. I did make some homemade donuts. Those ones, the holes didn't work out very well, but they are cooling now. We just finished up schoolwork. I just cleaned off the table. The kids are not hungry because they kind of munched on muffins while they were doing their schoolwork. And I've got Jeffrey is actually chillaxing in bed. He has a headache, which lighting is kind of weird right now. I kind of don't blame him for having that day because actually I have one too. I believe it's the weather because of the rain. I get like that sometimes too. So he took some Tylenol midway through schoolwork. He was having a hard time. He said it was really bothering him. So we did finish the schoolwork. Thankfully, it didn't take us actually long at all. So he's laying down. He's got a face cloth on his head, and he says he's feeling a little better. Running the dishwasher because of baking. So, and Robert's playing Mario Kart now. Mia is actually playing ABC Mouse. So she's having fun. And then I have got sheets to put away and a load of clothes. The sheets are my sheets and Mia's sheets. So I'm going to do those. And I think I'm just going to do all the boys' room tomorrow because I really need to clean their room. They have a lot of like art projects in there that I've got to go through and a ton of dusting. Their cubicle things are just very dusty, and it's fine, it happens, but I have to get in there every now and then. And there's a ton of books that they've just been like collecting in there, so I gotta kind of go through them. But I'm gonna deal with the laundry now, and then I've got some school stuff I gotta put away. There, the math that they're all done, they actually I need to just pack it away for Mia, so I'm gonna put that up in their closet, but I gotta like pull all the manipulatives that go with it together out of the bin. So I don't know why she's upset. So yeah, so I'm going to tackle this bed of laundry and then probably make some lunch for myself and kind of see how the afternoon goes. Okay, so the kids did some crafts. Jeffrey painted the fire truck we had, and then Mia painted some ornaments. Robert started to make one of these and then pooped out because he just didn't feel like it, so just fine. Mia is still making a necklace, huh? With your frozen beads. It's like got all the little characters on it. She loves it. We haven't taken it out in a while, so she's having fun. And we're watching The Grinch, right? Or this is the Cat and Hutch. I think we'll watch something else. Yeah, this is almost over, huh? And Robert's still being silly. Show me your new shirt. Don't do that. Have boys, they say it'll be fun. It's all about butts and farts and so bad. Huh? And then you have little girls that help you bake. Huh? And make necklaces. Alright, so I'm now getting dinner ready. I look crazy. I just vacuumed the house, picked up a little bit, and I am now getting ready to put dinner together. I'm going to get meatloaf going, so I'm going to get that started. I would say today was a pretty productive day. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to. I wanted to clean the bathrooms and vacuum under the couch cushions, but that didn't happen, and that is fine. I can do it another day. But I at least got a lot of other stuff done, and like planning for the next couple weeks. We have so much going on and trying to just make sure we get it all done in time. So Mia is still making necklaces, which is fine, and I'm going to put dinner together. I think we're going to call this video done because it's just going to be dinner and witching hour, and my headache's coming back, so I know it's just going to be chaotic. So hope you guys are all doing well, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.